Couple more months I go 80 a show. You know that my mama need more. Cooling up, put on my seat for breakfast. Okasi, they know what I'm on. Bang bizo location, the ling only day. Cover the step, it's so tough for good thing. Look at the things I don't cheat and did. Backing it up when I land on the mix. I go, 5 man. Up slides over to me. 5 man. Slides over to me.
Reporting live, again, it's your boy MJ holding it down, city to city, oh shit, titty to titty. And Chile was one of the hardest working motherfuckers in the city. It's your boy, the legendary, the myth, nigga, the incomparable, the impenetrable, himself in the flesh.
The one and only.
Nigga, let it be known, it's Kunda World, new signee, let it be known. I think the first signing for it, dog. Let it be known, it's your boy Low Key, nigga. It's Kunda. Lacquer. Feds, it dripping tea, it drunk out, it dripping tea, it drunk out. Let it be known, feds, let the people know. I don't know where this motherfucker's at, but who doesn't know Loki right now, let them know who Loki is, let them know what the fuck is going on right now, Gagedi.
Yes, sir. Come on. Loki, Tom Cruise, the Loki is kind of where first born. The one, the only. Loish. Let's go.
Loish. Tom Cruise was a ghetto. Brad Pitt wangakini, uLeonardo DiCaprio Bay,
John Wick
was Lee.
Flamme Baniki. Sashama one-on-one. No.
Feds, okay, before we get to this kind of world thing, let the people know low key and let them know where the shit started from and let them know about your projects and shit, dog. You know, let them know what the fuck is going on. Let them know who you chilling with. Let them know where you from, nigga. Let it be known.
Yes, sir. So, Loki Loco Logish, as I said, Tom Cruise, I'm from Loto. I'm from Eponela. Same hood as Ikato. Because I think most people know Eponela from Ikato. So, I'm from Eponela. Originally from Mtwalo, the South Coast.
Shout out to all my niggas in the South Coast and all my ladies too. Yeah. Shout out to all them Zeds. Love y'all.
I'm Sama Zekai, so so what can I say, dog? Started off here in Durban. For years I've been out here in the scene, and then I was lucky enough to get spotted by an idol of mine who chose to take me under his wing. Almost like skip a few steps. You know, that if I was working it alone, it would take me a couple more years to do it the way I did. So shout out to Keiko for that.
Shout out to Ibudo, the legend himself.
Yeah, the GOAT, nigga.
Shout out to Ibudo, my Uganda God.
Yeah, I was with my E last night before me Joe Cool, so it was fucking crazy. Like all of these people though, they like embraced me. They even lie. Like since I've been to Joburg, all of the guys embraced me. Like everyone who's ever been on Cash Time actually. Because I've linked up with Zenga.
Shout out to your boy Zenga holding it down.
Yeah.
I just checked out the shit that they did with Mark Lera, Dope Boy, no DJ Slick and the 25 Kids.
Yeah, they killed it. And he also dropped his album, his debut album.
Oh shit!
Yes.
Shoot me, little fans! The 2020
little fans, dog. Yeah. So like, I think like 10 figure in the feds in MJ, like he was the first nigga I actually did a song. Like the first song I did, he was on the song. So shout out to Zenga for that. I also made up with Mosley. I think I was a Constant Citrus listening session. So now I was the energy is fucking wild.
Shout out to your girl Mosley, one of the baddest bitches in the game, Gagedi.
Yeah, it's crazy. And then like I think two weeks ago, I got to meet Kid X. And then like a week ago, I got to meet Muggs.
Shout out to the legend himself.
Yeah, like Muggs, though, that's like one of the most down to earth niggas I've seen. Like him and my E have this. I don't know where it is. I don't know where right now it's just was a look shit. We have no fake guys I'm out to
yeah, niggas who real recognize real.
Yeah, that type of shit. So I wanted like niggas was like it wasn't even because I always thought trapping there was bad blood or something like that. Maybe like if I'm coming into the picture, it would be like I'm almost like the replacement.
No, but the people don't care. The people fuck with the vibe.
Yeah, yeah.
The people just want good music, they want a good products.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So luckily like for them, it wasn't even that, it was just that I'm like the second generation, like the first generation of what was being built. I'm the second generation, like it is.
You and improve, nigga.
Yeah, new and improved. Yeah, I mean, niggas learn from their mistakes. I think like and like the whole situation is set up now is mad different from what it was before. You know, so like now I'm just trying to push the envelope. Like I also want to be like my goal is to be the one that exceeded the mental type of shit.
But at the same time, you entered that label like you hit the ground running, dog.
Yeah.
Even though you have those singles released with kind of everything, but you still just drop Fireman.
Yeah.
It's a must see, my fan. It's a must see, but dog, yeah. So how's the story? A lot of niggas, they get their deal and they're like,
don't let me like this is step 1 out of 100. Like I got 99 more steps to fucking kick. Cause like as I said, I'm trying to do better than the people brought me in. So now when I bring someone else, I get them a couple more steps that I got, like ahead. So they're more like, because that's the only way like a family is supposed to be. Like I can tell I was at my time to go. They work in certain spaces, so it's our job to do better than our time because they sacrifice everything for us to be the people that we are. So now you're supposed to reach for higher than what your pops did.
Your boy Loki dropping gems on
that's how it's supposed to
dropping
work.
game on you, motherfucking
That's how it's supposed to work. Cause that's how I think like I've been able to get like generational wealth because everyone is trying to do.
They build the company and automatically when you come of age you are driving.
Yeah.
And even if you want to go out on your own thing,
take it further. And then your kids, you teach your kids, you send them to school so they can take it further. That's how the whole fucking bloodline becomes solidified.
Facts, nigga.
Yeah, so that's how it is for me, like music. So I'm here to do better than Cable.
And the nigga is so open about it, dog. He's just letting your niggas, you and
Roy.
He's just letting your niggas fuck up the game.
Hey, he's like for us, dog. Everything he does, like, dog.
I will find me up slides up with some lean. Find me slides up with some lean. I will, whoa. Find me, I will, whoa.